one of the good governors of we country Nigeria, im matter e don enter social media again. My correct people, I bring you informate concerning Governor Alex Otti of Abia State. As I'm talking to you right now, Alex Otti in one partner with Petan to establish oil refinery for inside Abia State. No be small matter. No say this Petan team, they be don visit Governor Alex Otti before to explore the possibility of setting up an oil refinery for inside Abia. Now the other information wey I bring come for you na still about Alex Otti, because he don come outside the yarn dey give the general public say they don successfully complete rehabilitation of 90 roads for inside Abia State. Now that is a good achievement, but the success of the governor e no end there o. Alex Otti talk plenty things, my correct people, and one of the things wey he talk about na the things wey in government dey do for inside educational sector, particularly public schools. Now without wasting much of your time, make I give you the details of this headline wey I just sama you so. And my correct people, you know say na Anointed Lady TV na you dey. Try make you subscribe and make you turn on the notification bell for more information, for more news on wetin dey happen for inside we country Nigeria. So back to the koko of the hour, my correct people. The tori be say Abia State Governor wey be Alex Otti, he don declare im intentions to partner with the Petroleum Technology Association of Nigeria wey be Petan to establish an oil refinery for inside the southeast state. And the governor wey be Alex Otti, in the yarn this one when he receive a delegation of Petan, as in when he receive members of Petan wey dey led by their chairman wey be Engineer Wole Ogunsanya for inside the office, and it dey happen on Friday wey be the 21st of June for inside this year 2024. And why the team of Petan wey be Petroleum Technology Association of Nigeria, why dem visit Abia State, na to check the things and things wey go dey involved, to check the possibility of setting up an oil refinery for inside Abia State. And this, my correct people, na welcome development, because Governor Alex Otti him don already drop assurance say in administration go provide Petan with all the necessary support for the proposed refinery project. He don already tell them say this project now wey Petan carry come, omo, our mind dey, we go make sure say the project come board. And instead dey let the general public dey know say the Abia government dey go engage with the petroleum company to see how they go fit manage partner as a joint venture to make the project a reality, to make sure say this project true e happen. And he constantly yarn dey give the Petan team say dem get plenty assets wey dem never even identify sef, plenty good things for inside Abia State wey dem never even put hand. He say oil activities today now for inside Abia, all of them now dey around that Ukwa West, na there I think for dey happen. And he know very well say other areas for inside the state dey we get reserves of good things wey dem need to put hand, wey dem need to harness. And by the time wey they go get serious players now, by the time we be say they go ready, say they go begin to dey explore some of these places around Umuniochi and other places. And he go like to inform the Petan team say dem dey very willing to work with them, so they go see how they go fit partner with Petan. And them wey be the Abia State, they take their partnership very serious. And he go like to thank the Petan team for identifying Abia State as one of the first states them. And if they need any support, say make they no waste time, make they no hesitate to reach out to them. And he go like to give them a timeline so that they no go just dey talk, but he go like make they brief him, maybe Alex Otti, the governor of Abia State, every fortnight, make they tell am everything wey dey sup, everything wey they do. Say he go like to dey know. No be small matter, my correct people. Now after all this one don stop finish, after all these ones don happen, the state commissioner of petroleum resources, name na Professor Joel Ogbonna, he come dey yarn say this refinery proposal wey dem carry come so, say e go take the state to another level, as dem get about 100 capped oil wells wey still dey untapped. Now Ogbonna come dey yarn say Abia State now go like to join the league of top oil players for inside the world if the project now dey realized, as in if the project finally come board. Then the chairman of the Petan team, he come dey talk on behalf of the Petan. He say them now, this visit wey dem come so na to come explore the best way to support the state and to help the state realize their full potential for inside oil sector. Instead, they don engage in discussions with government on having a refinery for inside the state, and now they go like to serve the state and neighboring states too. Say this one now na the first state wey be say they go dey execute this kind program or this kind project, and im say dem get the tools, dem get the equipment wey go fit find oil and wey go fit bring am outside from ground, and that one, those tools, those equipment, that go come make work dey very much easy for them. So that's my correct people. Na how the meeting between Alex Otti, the governor of Abia State, and the petan team dey waka, my correct people. As the talks don begin, na small thing remain. Refinery go come board for inside Abia State, and oil go surplus for inside the country and the Abia State in general. You understand? So moving on to the next informate wey I bring come for you, still about Governor Alex Otti of Abia State. He don come outside the yarn and give the general public say in administration don complete the reconstruction of 90 roads wey be say the time wey enter office, all the roads been dey road to condemnation, as in na small remain make e just kpafuka, but now he don fix all of them. And the governor wey be Alex Otti, in dey yarn this one during im normal interaction with tori people for the month of June for inside government house for Umuahia. So the governor come dey let tori people dey know say all the 90 roads, all of them say na their ministry of works na do am, and na by direct labour, and some of them enter their zero pothole policy. The governor Alex Otti comes dey yarn say the state government they don award the long abandoned and very difficult Ohanku road. He can describe the road as very strategic and dey lead to various settlements. You see, for those of us now wey don visit the area, in dey very sure say dem go fit confirm, they go fit testify say the work e don start for inside the road and few other roads dem for inside Aba. Then on the matter of health care, Governor Alex Otti come dey express the determination of the government to evolve programs and policies wey go transform the health sectors of the state. And he say as part of their efforts, say the government now they don commence, as in they don start the rehabilitation of general hospitals wey dey for inside the state. And he say the government now dem dey very much determined to rehabilitate the primary healthcare centers, and e go be batch by batch to make the centers dey very much operational. He say he understand proper say 19 disciplines now or areas don already receive accreditation, and they go continue to build on that one. Then on the matter of education, Governor Alex Otti come dey let the tori people dey know say in administration e don start to dey remodel public schools so that e go improve educational standards to provide a conducive learning education. He say they no dey discouraged though. No, they are not discouraged. Say they go take them phase by phase, and the most important thing be say they dey move in the right direction, as in they are walking the right path. Then on agricultural matter, Governor Alex Otti come dey yarn say the government now they don dey pay a lot of attention to agriculture because of their desire to achieve food security for inside the state. He say for inside last week, say they don send 300 persons of Abia origin, as in 300 people from Abia State. They don send all of them go Nasarawa State to go do sophisticated mechanized agricultural training by CSS farms, and that na one of the leading farms for inside the country Nigeria. And these 300 people, they collect them from 124 political wards for inside the state. And the whole idea, the whole point of this movement, so na say make them go learn, when dem come back they go come teach the remaining Abia State people wetin dem learn, and all these ones now na to make sure say dem achieve good things. Then on security matter, he say the government dey take security very serious, and dem dey very much committed to ensuring the security of lives and property for inside the state. And he come dey express im regret sake of the RIP of 5 soldiers for inside Aba on the 30th day of May. And he say that incident na breach of security, and the government dey do everything possible to make sure say dem gbab everybody wey dey connected to the RIP of those soldiers dem. Then the announcement wey sweet country people dem belle well na when Governor Alex Otti come dey yarn say in administration dey prioritize workers dem welfare, so therefore salaries now they go dey pay them on the 28th day of every month. Is the Lord not wonderful? Now, according to Alex Otti, he say other pending issues wey he inherit from the previous administration such as promotion and areas of leave allowance till they dey look into those kind matter. Dat my correct pipu na the informate wey Asimika give all of una. Dat na the talk from Governor Alex Otti wey im give tori pipu, make tori pipu for give country pipu. Know say dis na Anointed Lady TV where we dey like give una confirm and legitimate informate on the things and things wey dey happen for inside we country Nigeria. So abeg make you try subscribe to dis channel and make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news dey come, na you go first get the updates and you go get am sharp sharp. I dey come with another news for you my correct pipu. No go anywhere.